Hello class 9. Today we are going to discuss the topic Lok Adalat, which is a part of lesson 6 of civics, page 60. Main objectives: meaning of Lok Adalat, working of Lok Adalat, advantages of Lok Adalat, and estimate of the work of Lok Adalat. Scope of Lok Adalat. Before discussion of the topic, we must know the following terms. Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat means people's court or court of people. Supreme Court, highest court of the country or apex court of India. Lawyer, a person who has studied law and who is trained to represent people in court. Legal Service Authority Act, the act which provide that state or district authorities shall organize Lok Adalat from time to time. Dispute, to disagree about the correctness of something. Conciliatory, something done in order to remove the disappointment, anger or mistrust. Negotiation, to talk to a person or group in order to reach an agreement of some kind. Degree, an official order issued by government or court. Meaning of Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat means people's court or court of people. On the recommendation of Justice P. N. Bhagwati, who was the 17th Chief Justice of India, and he introduced the concept of public interest litigation, and he was awardee of Padma Vibhushan. Lok Sabha was set up by Legal Service Authority Act 1987 as a legal forum. Forum means a place where the public matter can be raised or discussed to provide legal aid and quick justice to those who are not in a position to engage lawyer or bear the expenses of the legal proceedings. Lok Adalat is a sort of voluntary forum comprising a few people including Supreme Court judges, lawyers, students, social workers. Cases are settled informally and cordially with the involvement of conflicting parties. It resolves cases with decision shall be deemed to be a degree of civil court. It provides speedy settlement. Now let's come to the reading part. Lok Adalat, meaning and advantages. Meaning of Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat, as it is clear from very name, means the people's court. Means Lok Adalat is a court of people. It is a sort of voluntary forum. Forum is a place where you can raise the public issue or you can discuss it. Comprising the few public spirited people including Supreme Court judges, lawyers, students and social workers. They persuade the opposite parties at a dispute to bring their cases before them for speedy settlement. Lok Adalats were set up by Legal Service Authority Act 1987 on the recommendation of Justice P. N. Bhagwati, who was the 17th Chief Justice of India from 1985 to 1986, as a legal forum to provide cheap, legal and the quick justice to the people. And Lok Adalat is meant for giving the quick justice to people. Working of Lok Adalat. Judges, law graduates, public workers or social workers form the litigation about their rights and duties. The judges of the Lok Adalat are actually the counselors. These adalats are assisted by the Legal Aid Committee and Social Action Group, which advises the people about legal matters and help them to solve the cases by mutual participation. Thus, they try to bring the compromises on agreement between the parties. The first Lok Adalat was inaugurated or held at Junagadh in Gujarat on March 14, 1982. Lok Adalat play a very eminent role in settlement of family feuds, means serious disputes, dispute between the neighborhood, minor cases of assault, means physical harm and injury by settlement. The dispute through compromise. Lok Adalat deliver fast and inexpensive justice. Moreover, Adalat reduce the workload of other courts and it promote social justice by providing legal aid to weaker section of the society. Weaker sections are those who are economically backward. Now let's come to the reading part. Working advantages of Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat has some advantages of their own. The parties in dispute soon agree to such proposal of speedy settlements. Lok Adalat provides speedy settlement and moreover it saves money and time of their dispute, being tired of already too much delay and botherations. They regular the regular law courts already under the stress of too much load. The regular courts are having the too much load to solve the cases. Provide every help to parties concerned to consult the relevant files piling up under their judges. Lok Adalat helps to lessen the load of the other courts. Then, in spirit of give and take, conciliatory atmosphere, and without the feeling of victory or defeat, because the decisions are taken with the mutual consent. The negotiation settlements are reached much to the relief of the different parties. Means settlements are done with the mutual understandings. The first Lok Adalat was inaugurated at Junagadh, Gujarat in October 1982. Now let's discuss about the first Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat. As we know, Lok Adalat means People's Court, recommended by Justice P.N. Bhagwati, who was the 17th Chief Justice from July 1985 to December 1986. The first Lok Adalat was held on March 14, 1982 at Junagadh in Gujarat, land of Mahatma Gandhi. Maharashtra commenced the Lok Nyayalaya in 1984. Advent of Legal Service Authority Act 1987 gave the statutory status to Lok Adalat, pursuant to the constitutional mandate in Article 39A of the Constitution of India. The evolution of this movement was a part of the strategy of relief heavy burden on the courts with pending cases and to give relief to the litigants who were in queue to get justice. Civil cases, matrimonial cases and petty offence cases are referred to Lok Adalat. Now let's come to the reading part. An estimate of the work of the Lok Adalat. There is no denying the fact that the system of Lok Adalat has many advantages of its own. First, much time is saved in the settlement of dispute by Lok Adalat. Hundreds of the cases are decided in a single day. It means Lok Adalat saves time as well as money. What more is desired from any system? This is the best system which saves time and money. The victim of accident require immediate relief or help, and the Lok Adalat fulfill the needs and thus save money, precious lives, and otherwise would have lost for want of the immediate help. It means the Lok Adalat saves time, provide immediate relief, and saves money. An estimate work. There is no doubt that the system of Lok Adalat has many advantages of its own, as we have discussed. It saves time as number of the cases are decided in a single day. It saves money. Beside the time and money, it also saves the long litigations. Long legal actions often reduce the litigant parties to zero. Means Lok Adalat have lessened the burden of load of the law courts. In Lok Adalat, everything is decided. An atmosphere of the complete harmony, means feeling of brotherhood. Now let's come to the reading part. As we have discussed, it saves the time as well as money. Second, beside time and money, it also saves long litigation, often reduce the litigant parties to zero. It means it saves the time of the litigants also. Third, different Lok Adalats have relieved the law courts of much of their heavy loads. Means they share the burden of the law courts. Last, the settlement made through the Lok Adalat never leave a bitter taste. There is no ill feeling either because everything is decided in an atmosphere of the complete harmony. Because in here both the parties are agree with each other and matters are resolved on the conciliatory system. Scope of Lok Adalat. The system of Lok Adalat has become so popular that the various government departments like telephone department and electricity board has begun to hold Lok Adalat, solving hundreds of the cases in a single day. There is a need of an hour that Lok Adalat are organized more frequently and their jurisdiction should be expanded. There are lakhs of the cases pending in different courts all over India. The system of Lok Adalat has come to stay because of their good work. Since October 1985, the institution of Lok Adalat tends to promote social justice, as in Delhi, where permanent Lok Adalat have been set up for the settlement of all pending disputes concerning Delhi Development Authority, Mahanagar Telephone Nigam, Municipal Corporation and National Insurance Company Limited. It decides all cases in a single day with satisfaction of all. Now let's come to the reading part. The system of Lok Adalat, because of their good work, has become to stay. Because of the good work of Lok Adalat, the system has come to stay since October 1985, when the first Lok Adalat was held in Delhi. First Lok Adalat was held in Delhi in 1985, where the 150 cases were solved, and these all were the accidental cases. Various Lok Adalats were held in Delhi, month after month, which have settled thousands of the cases. After that, the regular Lok Adalat was set up and thousands of cases were solved. The example of Delhi was followed by Gujarat and many other states, much of the relief of the thousand of the litigants. Lok Adalat has given the relief to the thousand of litigants. The Legal Service Authority Act 1987 also provided that state or district authorities would organize Lok Adalat from time to time. This provision was also given to the state and district to organize the Lok Adalat from time to time. All decisions of the Lok Adalat have since been deemed to be the degree of civil court. The decisions or the judgment of the Lok Adalat will be considered as the degree of the civil court and binding on the parties of dispute. The system of Lok Adalat now becomes so popular that the various government departments like Telephone Department and Electricity Board has begun to have Lok Adalat. These important departments like Telephone Department and Electricity Department also demanded for the Lok Adalat, where the thousand of cases are decided in a single day to satisfaction of all. Children, today we will do till here, and you will have to reread this part again and learn the important terms. Kindly follow the SNAP homework. Thank you.